Hello everyone, I hope everybody is doing great. Today we are going to learn about something very important in English grammar that is called phrase. But before we start a video, if you are new here on my channel, so make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on notification so that you never miss any of my upcoming videos. So without wasting time, let's move on. First, look at the definition of phrase. Look at the board. A phrase is a group of words or a part of a sentence with no subject and verb combination. A phrase does not give complete meaning, but it gives some partial meaning, some idea, some information, even if it is not a full sentence, right? So phrase is equal to a group of words with some meaning but no subject and verb combination. In simple word, I can say a phrase is like a socks without shoes. It's something but you can't really walk with it. Okay? For example, look at the board. In the room. Here, we know that something is inside the room, but we actually don't know who or what is happening inside the room, right? And number second, look at the board. Very happy. Here, we know that someone is happy, but we actually don't know who is happy, right? And number third, on the table.